Hey everybody, it's Toby. I'm here gonna do a quick little recipe with you. I'm gonna be making a sausage casserole. We have some yummy pork sausage that we had made up at our friend Roy's. We actually raised our own pig. And so this is that. This is actually hot Swiss sausage that I'm gonna be cooking today. So I have the pan going, it's on low heat. So we're gonna cut this and get this going. I'll show you guys how I do it. So I'm actually gonna take the sausage out of the casings because we're gonna put it in a casserole. So go ahead and cut these. These are tied really nice, so it takes me a second here. All right. And what you do is you just squeeze it right on out. Whoops, make sure you don't waste any like I just did. We're not going to talk about what this looks like, people, but we are just going to go with the flow. All right.
It is a sausage.
Yes, it is. When in doubt, squeeze it out. Yes. So, last one here. Whoa! It's going crazy. Alright, I'm gonna turn up the heat, you guys. Wash my hands. Just leave that on.
Oh, the dogs smell it too. Hi, Brody. Hi, Mo. What's that, my puppies? Those are my little corgis. That's Mo.
Oh, sorry
Over there.
Mo.
Oh, wait. Hello, Mo. Shout Mo. And here's Brody. What's up, Brody? What's up?
These dogs like to cook.
Let me
too.
ask you a question. Ask me a question. So what are you doing right now?
So I'm chopping up the sausage so it cooks a little more evenly and quickly. So we're just gonna brown this up real nice. This is already seasoned, so you don't need to do anything else to it. And like I said, this is hot Swiss sausage, so as you can see, it's got the little red peppers in it, down in there.
See all that yummy goodness?
So, and we like spicy stuff, so you can use any kind of sausage. You can use just regular Italian, you can use sweet Italian, you can use anything you want. Turkey, chicken, use whatever you want. So we're gonna let this cook. While this is cooking down, I'll show you guys how to kind of put together the casserole while this is browning. All right, so I like to get a big bowl. I already pre-cooked, I used a rigatoni, excuse me, I used a penne noodle.
Penne.
Penne.
It's a penne noodle. Oh, penne noodle.
So I used actually two, I believe 16-ounce boxes, so this is like a double batch. I pre-grated mozzarella cheese. I like to use, this is just a grater. I like to use the small one on this side, not the big one, but the small one, because the cheese melts a little bit better. And then I have a little bit of mixture of, this is cheddar and mozzarella that I did with another recipe. So again, I used the finer one. We have some shredded Parmesan cheese, and then we have some provolone. Oh, Wendy wants to show you what kind it is.
Provolone.
And then some sliced provolone.
Got it.
So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and just put, well, I was gonna mix everything in the bowl, but we already put the noodles in here. So,
Do you want to dump them in the bowl?
I'm just gonna put some cheese in.
Do you want to?
No.
Are you sure? Okay. Okay.
We're just gonna make it right in the pan, y'all. My hands are clean, by the way.
Always wash your hands.
So you want to massage the cheese? Massage it, they loves it. So mozzarella, mozzarella, mozzarella.
How much did you do again? A pound?
I did a full pound. It's just basically to your taste. If you have a lot of people that like don't like a ton of cheese, then use less. It's hot here today, so that's why my hat's on backwards. And then this is a 10-ounce container of shredded Parmesan. I'm just lightly sprinkling some throughout. And then I'm gonna take 2 slices. This is provolone, and I just kind of shred it through here a little bit. Shred it. What would you call this?
Pull
Tear
that
it?
apart. Yeah,
Tear it or pull it apart. All right, and then, oh, the noodle got out. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of this, little bit of cheddar. The cheddar gives that a little zing, which I like. I don't put in everything, but I do use a little bit of it. And again, it's to taste. You don't have to get fancy. We don't need to measure everything.
Do you mix this all in? Like, do you mix the noodles with the cheese, all this stuff up, and then do your sauce? Or how do you?
Yeah, so basically what I did was I pre-made the sauce, which is right here in this lovely pot if you guys want to come check it out.
This was the video. You will have seen us do this one. That sauce
Yes, so there's a video on how to make all this sauce. So I just pre-made the sauce, so we let that sit. I'm gonna check out the meat. You can chop that up a little bit. Better turn the heat up a little bit. And Wendy and I love food tools, and there's a handy dandy chopper that we're going to show you that we don't have in this video today, but we will show you in a future video because it helps with any type of meat, ground meat, anything like that, that you're trying to get all chopped up nicely.
I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Yes, this smells lovely. Hey, okay, so we've got the meat, or the sausage rather, all browned up, and I've divided a little bit of the fat. Sometimes I leave the fat in, especially with the chili peppers and stuff, but today I'm going to take a little bit out because I have a friend who's has a sensitive stomach. So what I like to do is I like to just use a few paper towels and soak up a little bit. It makes it easier than draining it into something. So just a little trick I do sometimes. So all right, now got it all ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump it.
You see the steam coming out of that?
This smells so good. All right, so this is why I usually do it in a bowl, but today I was trying to see if this container would fit a double batch. So again, I have 2 containers of penne that I cooked up beforehand. I'm just gonna mix this in good. And we're gonna head to the sauce. Just gonna ladle it in. And the sauce is basically, again, to your taste. I wouldn't go too dry, only because it might stick a little bit to the container. I personally like to use glass unless I'm making some for a big party, which this is for. So, Tony, Stacy, and Colette, you're welcome for the penne, which you guys will watch later. This is a surprise.
Which is funny, I was thinking, I hope they don't watch the video when it's posted Friday because it's of us making the cups for the girls' weekend. So hopefully nobody watches it before we get there.
Prior to. It's all right, subscribe to. So yeah, we're having a girls' weekend, and so this is what this is for. We have some friends that are turning the big 5-0, so. All right, that looks pretty good, but I'm gonna get a little bit more sauce up in here. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna do another little bit of sauce right down the middle, a little bit. And then I'm gonna come back with a little bit more mozzarella cheese. All right, a little bit more Parmesan Reggiano, huh? A little Parmesan Reggiano. Not too much Parmesan because it can be a little bit on the salty side. So, this is our penne sausage casserole. So,
Voila.
voila. I hope you guys liked it, and we will make it a gorgeous day, and you too. Thank you.